If you know anything about Excel, you know it's an extremely powerful tool with the ability and potential to change the way that you do business. But while a well-designed spreadsheet can be really easy to use, building that spreadsheet, not so much. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you how to find an Excel expert that can build exactly what you need so you can save yourself time, money, and probably a lot of frustration. Specifically, I'm going to walk you through the key elements you need to consider before reaching out to an Excel services provider. Then I'll dive into my top 4 choices for Excel service providers and help you navigate through those and determine which one is going to be the right fit for your particular project needs. So step 1 is just going to be to get clarity on what's important to you. And to do that, here are a few things that you may want to consider. So the first thing is going to be the quality of services provided. How important is it for you to have a really quality solution? How important or how critical is this to your business, for example? The next thing would be customer experience. How important is it to you to have somebody that's going to work with you to make sure this is as seamless as possible for you or you and your team, and maybe something that requires as little of your time as possible to get it completed? Next would be the cost of services. How important is the budget on the project? Are you working with a really restricted or limited budget, or are costs less of a concern as long as you get something that does exactly what you need and meets that quality standard? Next would be long-term support. Do you think that you're going to need support on your project long-term? Do you think that there's a possibility that you may want to expand the project or build on it in the future? Those kinds of considerations. Next would be developer availability. Do you want to partner with somebody who has full-time availability and can be almost on call or have a lot of regular business hours availability? Or are you okay with somebody who may just be doing this part-time on nights and weekends? Next would be developers based in the US versus international. Does that matter to you? Would you prefer to have a team or an individual who's based in the US, or substitute whatever country you're in? Or are you okay with hiring out internationally? And the last thing would be a team versus individual. Do you think that your project would benefit from partnering with a firm that has a team who's going to bring that expertise? Or would you be okay with just having one freelancer, for example, working on your project? Step 2 is making the right selection based on what matters for you and your project. So to help with that, I'm going to share my top 4 choices and show you what each of their strengths and weaknesses are. If you want to find out more information on any of these, I've provided links to in the description of this video. First up is Joshua Wilson Consulting. So Joshua Wilson Consulting is a one-man Excel consulting firm run by Joshua Wilson. With more than 25 years of experience in roles like financial analyst, business analyst, operations manager, and insurance rating expert, Joshua has both the Excel skills and the financial analyst experience to help provide a real unique intersection of abilities for certain Excel projects. Now, because of his knowledge and expertise, he's uniquely qualified to handle projects involving financial modeling, financial analysis, forecasting, and insurance premium rating. And his consulting and development services are truly top-notch, and I think the professionalism of him and his business and his approach really set him apart from the competition. Another thing I appreciate about Joshua is that if you're not the right fit for his company, or he's not the right fit for your project, he'll let you know up front. And to help save you some time, here are 5 criteria for determining if Joshua Wilson Consulting is the right fit for your project. So the first question is, would your project benefit from someone with a solid financial background, somebody who can bring that financial analyst, for example, expertise to bear on the project? And secondly, does your project have a budget of at least $2,500 to meet his minimum value? Thirdly, are you located in the USA? And do your core needs involve advanced Visual Basic programming skills? If they do, you're probably going to want to consider the next provider we're going to talk about. Lastly, if you're seeking proposals from multiple providers, then Joshua Wilson Consulting is not going to be their best fit for you. Next up is custom Excel spreadsheets. Now, CES is a spreadsheet consulting, development, and programming firm that works with businesses across all industries, covering a broad array of bespoke solutions. And with no project minimums, CES is a great fit regardless of your project size or platform. The team at CES has experience in everything from Microsoft Excel to Visual Basic Programming to Google App Scripts and Google Sheets. And this depth and breadth of experience and skill really allows for optimal problem solution mapping to ensure that your project is going to benefit from the best technology for that use case. CES also uses a transparent billing approach, which allows you to pre-purchase time in advance and really gives you control over the project costs as things move along, while also providing that flexibility for scope changes and also for that review of cycles. There's no limit to how many times you can review something and provide feedback. That way you make sure the end result is exactly what you need. Getting started with CES is also really easy. You can just head over to our website and click on the Contact Us page. And from there, you can actually book a call directly, a free consultation with one of our developers who will walk through your project needs and set you up with a scope for your project, as well as quoting and pricing information and turnaround time. So here are 4 criteria for determining if CES is the best fit for your project. So the first criteria to consider is whether or not your project might benefit from working with a team that has expertise across Excel, Google Sheets, programming, integration with other platforms, and so on. In other words, is it a versatile team with a breadth and depth of knowledge that might apply to your project? Secondly, do you think your project might benefit from guaranteed access to long-term support and updates for your project as future needs arise? Thirdly, how important is getting a high-quality solution with a great user experience for you? How important is it to you that your end result is robust, does exactly what you need, and that along the way, that process of getting the solution is really seamless? And then, how important are quality versus cost? Would you say that the quality is more important than the cost, or is the primary driver for you cost? And lastly, a bonus criteria would be, would your project benefit from consulting? In other words, do you just need somebody, you already know exactly what you need and you just want to tell them, hey, do X, Y, Z in Excel? Or would you benefit from somebody who can actually help consult with you to help you see what the best project is going to be to fit your needs? Number 3 on the list is Toptal. Now, Toptal is an organized network of developers that focuses on matching clients with talented developers based on the project needs. It's similar to sites like Fiverr and Upwork, but specializes in higher quality developers with more security and control options in place. So if you're looking for an Excel expert or a specific programming language, you can fill out a questionnaire on their site, and one of their talent specialists will try to match you with a developer who they think would be a good fit. You can also browse their freelance profiles for yourself and pick one if you prefer that. The benefit of using Toptal is that you get access to a broad array of developers, and you may be able to handpick one that you feel like would be good for your project. But be aware that Toptal will tend to require more of your effort up front as you're sifting through different profiles or working with that talent specialist. And the freelancers also may be working part-time, and so you may not have someone who's available full-time. They may or may not specialize in Excel, and so you want to make sure you ask the right questions to find out if they truly are the expert that's going to be a good fit for your project. You may also find it more difficult to get in touch with that freelancer down the road. They may stop freelancing or disconnect themselves from the Toptal platform, in which case, if you need updates down the road, you could run into trouble with getting in touch with them to do those. So if you're thinking about Toptal, here are 4 criteria for determining if they are the best fit for your Excel project. So the first criteria is whether or not you want to find a freelancer who specializes in what your project needs. If so, this may be a good option for you due to the broad variety that they have and the ability to at least try and match you with somebody who specializes in what you're looking for. Secondly, are you more concerned with quality compared to cost? If so, Toptal may be a good option for you. A third criteria would be that long-term support is at least not needed or not guaranteed. And lastly, are you okay with a higher investment up front, knowing that you're going to be spending possibly more time and effort going through a process that's not as user-friendly to get started with compared to the first 2 providers that we talked about? Last on the list is Upwork. So Upwork is another organized network of developers, and more than likely you've heard of it. They focus on providing a massive network of freelancers with a broad array of skills in multiple different industries. To hire a developer on Upwork, you can either post jobs and receive proposals, or you can browse their profiles for freelancers and try to pick one that would suit your project well. Generally speaking, Upwork can be a good solution if you're looking for a small to medium-sized project and are working on a more limited budget. However, as with Toptal, expect to spend more time up front sifting through different profiles or reviewing proposals, trying to find one that would be the right fit for your project. And as always, when working with freelancers, there's no guarantee that they'll be around in 6 months or 2 years from now if your project needs further development or support. Through the years running a spreadsheet consulting and development firm, I've heard quite a few times from clients who were in this situation where they were working with a freelancer on an Excel project and maybe took it to completion, but afterwards needed some additional updates or wanted to expand it and couldn't get in touch with that same developer that they had worked with as a freelancer. So it's something to keep in mind as you move forward. Now, in addition to that, as you consider Upwork, here are 4 criteria that you may want to look at to determine if they're the right fit for your project. So the first criteria is going to be, are you more concerned with keeping costs down than with quality and user friendliness? In other words, are you okay with possibly sacrificing some quality and ease of use if it means being able to keep your costs down? Secondly, if you aren't concerned with having reliable access to long-term support, then Upwork may be a good fit for you. And thirdly, if you're required to solicit proposals from multiple vendors, then this could be a great way of doing that. And lastly, again, as with Toptal, if you're okay with that higher investment of your time and effort up front in order to jump through the hoops that it takes to get started with a freelancer, then again, Upwork may be a good fit for you. I've got one more thing I want to show you, but first, if you've found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon to make sure you don't miss out on more helpful Excel and Google Sheets content, training, and tips that's going to make your lives easier and your business better. Okay, so we covered a lot of information, but hopefully you're in a good position now to pick a good Excel provider that's going to help you knock out your Excel project. And to help you in doing that, I've actually created a summary matrix for these top 4 providers, and I'm going to show that now, and you can take a look at it. If you'd like a PDF version, feel free to send me an email. My email is in the description below this video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.